Kaniga hakani kasin kawar.
MEGHALAYA state ye to boy yok ye rak. Hello.
Dari siapa yang ni state kiomi
entire state. As government is also eyeing with a very important goal of $10 billion economy in the coming years, it is very important to capitalize on the potential of our youth. And in line with this goal, this event is very important because no society can ever develop when their youth will remain, the potential of their youth will remain unutilized. So this is a big opportunity for all the youths of this district, especially who are dropout and who are seeking job after class 10th or after 12th. So please come and enroll for this recruitment drive. And this is the opportunity that is giving you not just one field or one sector, but this is giving you opportunity across the sectors. Like service sector, manufacturing sector, and not within this country only, but abroad also. So this will give you immense benefit to the society, and through the wide publicity and a broad media coverage, I would like to request all of you to please disseminate this information so that maximum number of our youth from the district can take the benefit of this initiative. And we hope that this initiative will be a grand success in the district, and we hope to see many of our youth can engage in the meaningful economic activity within the country and abroad as well. With these words, I would like to congratulate every one of you who are coming today, and we have further 2 more camp we have organized in the Saipung area, Sutunga area and Lunchong area, and with the wide publicity, I urge all the youth to come and participate in maximum number. And last but not the least, I would like to thank to my colleague especially from the ITI department and this skill development department for organizing this event, and we hope to see the success